Hi everyone, today we'll be charging the refrigerant in this 1984 Grand Marquis Colony Park LS. In the 80s and 90s, cars required a different kind of gas, the R12. Since that's not available anymore, I purchased an equivalent product on eBay called EnviroSafe, and I'm going to test these cans to see if it drops the temperature. Right now, it's 96 degrees, so it's very hot in here. So let's try this product. We'll let you know if it works and if it's a good product to try it out. So this is the product we're going to be using, which apparently replaces R12. And the cans are far lighter than the regular cans of refrigerant. It's only 4 ounces. So let's see if this does the job. Car on, connected to the low pressure valve, turn on the air conditioning to the max, and I came outside here to inject this product. So the compressor is kicking in and it looks like it's working. Putting the second can. Temperature is dropping. Now it's 79, so it's very empty. I'm going to add one more can. So originally, as you saw, it was 100 degrees, 99 degrees. Now the gas is coming in and it dropped to 70. We can do better, so let's put one more can. So make sure on this kit, it comes with a valve, you have to screw this needle back before you screw into the can, obviously, okay? So now the needle's inside, and now I can screw the can in there. Next step, I'm going to hook up this to the low pressure valve. Is the step where I'm going to puncture the can. I'm screwing into the can. Now the can is punctured. I'm going to unscrew it to let the gas flow. Now the gas is flowing now. The can is very cold. To check the temperature in the car. Much cooler now. It's at 52 degrees. So the temperature dropped a lot. And this is the third can that I put in. I'm going to stop at 3 cans. I don't want to exceed and I could damage the system. So the cans are very small. They're 4 ounces each. So don't be alarmed, it's not the size of a regular 134 or R12 can. 23 degrees. Job well done. Very nice. So this is a 11,000 mile Colony Park LS station wagon. So this is unmodified, completely original, a time capsule. The car is perfect, there's no blemishes whatsoever. So I felt good about using this gas without altering the vehicle. This is a very unusual vehicle for the condition and the miles. You just can't find them like this anymore. It's available on Hemmings.com. This particular gas here, it doesn't harm the environment. So this was a bonus to get the job done and not use a harmful gas. And I accomplished 2 things. I used an environmentally safe product and didn't have to retrofit and spend hundreds of dollars in modifying the vehicle. So this was a win-win situation. Make sure that you put the cap back on, easy to lose. In this project we used 3 cans and the product is as promised, so I'm quite impressed. So there was no retrofit or modifications required. When you buy this kit on eBay, it comes with these 3 cans. You can buy without the gauges or with the gauge, and this will be handy to have a temperature gauge. You can find this at your local Harbor Freight. So that's all you need. Thanks for watching and subscribe. Bye-bye.